Okay, this is Gary, and one more time we're making a little video here to give you an update on the progress, but it's running and drivable. So still the sheet metal is still way rough, just in the early stages. Just got the top back on it today. And I'm working on getting everything sort of debugged here. But the car is a different car to drive compared to the 2007 Pontiac Solstice. It's longer, a little bit heavier, a little bit wider stance, and it drives a lot more smooth actually than what the car did originally. So got the wheels here, the rims from Wheelsmith in Corona, California. They're nice. Gonna paint the inside of those actually to match the car color. As you can see, there was a little section of the back trunk that was utilized from the car and the doors and the top and windshield, of course, but the rest of it's all new sheet metal. And anyway, now the fun begins. That's the body work. I'm not sure I'm any good at that yet, but we'll find out. I'm gonna make a tube grill here for it pretty soon, something that will hopefully make the front look good. So I'll do another video once I get started on the body work. And anyway, all for now.